I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream dessert at home step by step. Start by gathering ingredients and chilling tools so the base freezes evenly. Combine 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla in a bowl. Whisk until sugar dissolves and mixture is smooth. Cover and cool in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before churning or freezing to improve texture. Now we build flavor with simple additions that transform the base. For fruit swirls or chocolate bits, chop 1 cup fruit or use 1/2 cup chocolate chips and fold them in gently. For chocolate ice cream, whisk 2 tablespoons cocoa powder into a small portion of warm milk before combining. A teaspoon of lemon zest lifts fruit or vanilla bases without overpowering them. Keep mixtures cold before freezing for best. Choose the freezing method that fits your kitchen and schedule. An ice cream maker gives a smooth, soft serve texture in 20 to 30 minutes, while a shallow metal pan in the freezer sets faster but needs stirring every 30 minutes to break ice crystals. After reaching desired firmness, transfer to an airtight container and press plastic against the surface to reduce freezer burn. Let sit a few minutes before scooping for perfect scoops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.